Well, this is Allie. I sit on the floor, and she came over here. Oh, hey. Well, that's a good kitty cat. You never know if Allie wants a pat or not. Oh, look at him. I'm kind of like digging into her chest. And she might flop over. You never know. Oops, yeah, there we go. And then I like to guide her. Like I can kind of spin her. There you go. Hi. Oh, that is a good cat, no matter what anyone says. Meow. Hey. I keep on forgetting to turn the flashlight off. So we got a nice bright light shining at her. Yeah, you're a good kitty cat. You're a good kitty cat, no matter what anybody says. Meow. Yeah. So I'm gonna spend, oh Lord, a bunch of days here. I'll be here bright and early tomorrow, okay? Bright and early. And then come back in the evening. And then the morning, and then evening, and the morning, and the evening. And we're gonna have fun, okay? You're such a good kitty cat, yeah. I see him digging in that chest. I mean, you never know. Whoa, look at that head turned all the way around. That's why he usually plops. He's kind of digging. Let's see if it dig this way. You never know. All right. I'm just looking because she could bite. Anything could bite. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. All right. I guess I'll talk to you later, huh?